Welcome to Introduction of Ethical Hacker Certification course. This course will help you to become certified ethical hacker. At the end of this course, you will get completion certificate and you will be capable to write various ethical hacker certification exams. In this course, I have covered information gathering tools, enumerations, metasploit, social engineering attack, web application hacking, cross-site scripting, SQL injection, footprinting, web server hacking, DOS anti-DOS attack, password cracker, session hijacking, sniffing, that is man-in-middle attack, Trojan horse and backdoor, virus and worms, wireless hacking, buffer overflow, cryptography, and many more sections I will keep on adding in this course. If you have already enrolled in this course, then congratulations. If you have not yet enrolled, then for what you are waiting for, enroll now.